up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have two of those mystery bags that I got from the Diva Bag by Sonya website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open both of them up, decide what I want to keep, and then decide what I want to give away. So there will be a giveaway in today's video. Without further ado, let's see what kind of goodies Sonya put in these bags. Okay guys, so she had 3 different bags on her website for makeup, and I went ahead and grabbed 2 of each because my thought process was to unbox one, share with you guys what you can get in these things, and then give the other one away. Well, then it just hit me. Sonya put so many cool things in these bags that I personally don't want to miss out on something very cool. So I'm going to unbox both of them, decide what I want to keep, and then I'll let you guys know what I'm giving away. All right, guys, let's go ahead. And I have 2 that are the same here. Well, not the same. They're similar in size, so I'm assuming that they are the same type of bag. So the bag itself is super cute. It is an Ipsy bag, and it is one that I don't have. So yeah, I'm going to keep the bag itself. So you guys aren't going to get the bag. Sorry. Because I do stuff with these bags, and yeah. At any rate, let's dig in here because she has this thing jam-packed, and I do not want to waste a lot of time in the video. What do we have here? Lash Love Mary Kay Fanorama. Okay guys, I am always down to try new mascaras. So this is going to be something that I'm going to keep for myself. Now my favorite mascara, for those of you who don't know, haven't watched like any of my videos, is the brand mascara. That is my all-time favorite. However, the mascara that I have on today is the Superhero mascara, and that's the first time I tried it, and I'm finding that I actually quite like that one as well. But it still doesn't beat out the brand, in my opinion. Okay, so now we have a little Mary Kay sample. What is this? This is an unlimited lip gloss in the color Brilliant. Can I open it, or I don't know. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the color, guys. Ooh, I'm kind of liking it, and this would fit in my purse. Undecided, guys. I actually think I'm going to keep this. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. So this may be something that I keep as well. Are you guys going to get anything? Yes. Yes, you are. I don't know what, though. Let's keep digging in. Okay, ooh. So she has this really awesome brush in here. Now, this is going to go in the giveaway. I have plenty of brushes, and I'm very particular about what kind of brushes I use, so I'm not going to touch the top of it and all that fun stuff because I am going to definitely put this in the giveaway. Okay, so giveaway item number 1. How am I going to do this? Like, you would think that I'd be more organized, but, you know, I'm not. I have bags sitting on this other little table here, so I'm going to move the bags, and I'm going to put the giveaway items over here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have some AOA Studio Watermelon Makeup Remover Wipes. Okay, so this is going to go in the giveaway. I have plenty of these. I don't need any more right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway. But I'm sure that they smell really good, and AOA does make some good stuff, so that's pretty awesome. All right, what do we have here? The NYX Ultimate Edit Palette. Do I want to keep this palette, you guys? I don't know. There it is. This is an on the fence kind of thing because I have so many palettes. So I'm on the fence about it. I like the colors, but it might go in the giveaway. So I'm going to put it on the giveaway side because that's more what I'm leaning towards. Okay, so this right here. Oh, a setting spray. This is mine. Beauty Creations Pineapple Setting Spray. I'm keeping this, guys. I love setting sprays, and I feel that I go through them so super fast. So I'm definitely going to keep this for myself. But that's awesome. I'm really glad I got that in there. Oh, I already have this. So this is Rainbow Sugar Tasty Lip Gloss. This is going in the giveaway. It is tasty. I think it was okay tasty. Honestly, can't really remember. It's been a while. But nonetheless, I know that I like it because I've used it quite often. So yeah, there you go. That's definitely going to go in the giveaway. So that was bag number 1. Let's go ahead and open up this second bag and see what I want to keep and what I'm going to give away. So here's what the bag itself looks like. Very cute bag. Love the bag, but I am going to put this bag in the giveaway. Okay, so this is going to go in the giveaway. All right, let's open it up. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so full. Okay, let's check it out here. What do we have here? Just My Way Precision Liner. I'm going to open it up, you guys, because I will most likely keep this, I think. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open it like all the way though because, okay, here it is. Oh, wait, no. It's this kind. I didn't touch it, guys. I promise I didn't touch it. This is going in the giveaway. I have plenty of black eyeliners and this isn't my favorite kind of eyeliner anyways. So, bloop. Didn't touch it at all. This is going in the giveaway. Okay, what else do we got here? So we have this Mixology Citrus Twist Luxury Body Wash. This is going to go in the giveaway. So there's another thing that I'm going to put in the giveaway. What do we have here? Orza. I like the Orza palettes. Let's see what this one is. This is so fun, you guys. For me, anyway. So this is a Nude Shimmer Contour Eyeshadow. Guys, I can't see. Ugh. I'm going to have to open it, you guys. Here it is, right here, like this. And it is wrapped in plastic. But I need to get a good look at this to know whether or not I want to keep it. So I am going to open it fully. Oh, darn it, I dropped it. Okay, you guys know how I hate bending over, but I can see it. So I'm going to do it real quick. Woo! Okay, that was pretty fast. All right, so let me go ahead and open this. Ooh. Ooh, I think I'm going to keep it, guys. Look at that. Those colors are great for like everyday colors. So I do believe that I am going to keep this little palette here. Sorry. Okay. But I promise I'll hook you guys up one way or another. Ooh, what is this? AOA Studio. It's an eyeshadow palette. Looks like it's pinks. Okay, you guys can see it through the thing, so I'm not going to open it fully. And I'm also not going to include it in the giveaway because I am going to give this to a friend of mine who loves pink eyeshadow. You know who you are, Lois. I'm just saying. So I am not going to put this in the giveaway. I'm going to give that to my girl, Lois. All right. Even though she doesn't need any more makeup, I know she likes the pinks, and that's a nice little pink palette, I think. Anyways, what do we got? Shadow and Light Brow Contour Mousse. Yeah, this is going in the giveaway. So I got this right here. This is definitely going to go in the giveaway because this is not something that I would ever use. So yeah, that's another giveaway item. Boop. All right, what else do we have here? Ooh, this looks pretty. We got a lip gloss situation happening. Look at that. That is so pretty. So I'm going to say, I'm going on a limb here and say I'm probably going to keep it. Look at that. Oh, right. Yes. All right. I'm keeping this for myself. Sorry. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. I really am. But like, I don't want to miss out on the super fun stuff. So that's why I'm doing it this way, because I want to keep what I want to keep. Okay, I already have this palette, so this is going in the giveaway. I love it. I use it all the time. Can you guys see it? Sorry. It's the e.l.f. brand. It's like their mini eyeshadow palettes. I love this. I literally use it all of the time, but it's nowhere near like done or gone or anything. But I will go ahead and put this little palette in the giveaway. All right, what do we got here? Mary Kay Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. So this is this like a micellar water kind of situation? I can tell you guys right now, I am going to keep this because I do use this kind of stuff all the time to like clean up my eye looks when I do them. So I'm going to keep this for myself. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh, this looks fun. I don't know. It's a long-lasting eye and lip line. Okay, so here's what it looks like in its little original packaging here. Ooh, this is for your lips? Okay, hold on. Oh. I'm keeping it, so, you know. Here it is. Lip line? Really? Okay, we gotta see it. Ooh. It doesn't work very good on my hand here. I think it's like right there, but that's okay, guys. We'll see what I can do with that. That looks super fun. Ooh, we have another one of those lip glosses in a different shade. I'm going to keep this one too because I like, orange. Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. Okay, this is for me as well. All right. And then we have, this is definitely mine. Look at that color. I'm so sorry, guys. All right, so here's this one too. And I'm going to go ahead and just plop it open here to take it. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Okay, so I am going to keep that as well. Now, guys, there's not a whole lot of super fun stuff that's going in this giveaway. So just give me a second because I'm going to add something to this because it's not that exciting with the stuff that I included. So just give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to throw a couple more things in this giveaway, but let's super quick go over the rules. So as always, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. I'm using these items that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. I'm just saying. Second, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. And third, you must be subscribed to my channel. If you are not subscribed, then you will not be able to win. Okay, so those are the main rules for this giveaway. I'll have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out before you enter the giveaway. So let's go ahead and go over all the items that I'm going to have in the giveaway, and then I'll let you guys know what the secret word is, and I will let you know how long the giveaway is going to run for. All right, so let's go ahead and show you that you're going to get this little bag. That's the first thing. Super cute. I mean, I'm taking the little bag, honestly, but you know, I just don't need it. So somebody else can have the bag. So I am also going to include the little body wash that she had in there. You guys saw this. I'm going to include these makeup remover pads from AOA Studio, watermelon scented. That should be super fun. I'm going to include this super cool brush that, you know, can be useful for somebody, just not me. I don't need them. Okay, and I'm going to include this e.l.f. mini palette. That's super fun, right? Awesome. Okay, and I'm going to also include this rainbow sugar lip gloss. So there's that as well. And the, oh, this is an eyeliner that you guys saw me open up and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the NYX palette in there only because I don't need any more palettes. So you're also going to get this little NYX palette in addition to the little e.l.f. palette. Then there is this Shadow Light Brow Contour Mousse. I am going to include that in the giveaway as well. And then I'm going to throw in some additional items, and those items are this Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I'm going to throw this in as well. I bought quite a few of these a while back, and you know, I like it, but I just don't need all the ones that I have, so I'll go ahead and throw this one in. I think it's a great primer, but I have so many primers that I've received in other boxes I'm trying to work through, so I'm going to throw that in. And then I'm also going to throw in this Sponge Gel Cinnamon and Honey scent. I think it smells quite nice, even though that's like a little bit out of season right now. I still think somebody might like to have this. So I'm going to add those 2 additional items on top of everything else that I just showed you. So I need to look at a calendar. Give me a minute. Let me go ahead and let you know the rest of the details for the giveaway, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so sorry I'm so disorganized for this video, but I was so excited to open up the goodies I got from Sonya. I just didn't think through the details for the giveaway. Okay, so I have to interrupt myself here, guys, because I totally messed up the dates for this giveaway. The giveaway is going to run from today, April 23rd, all the way through April 30th, and the winner will be announced via electronic picker on May 1st. Okay, now let's jump into whatever else I was going to say next. So the key word that you need to use in your comment below to let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway is the word e.l.f. because the e.l.f. palette is the favorite thing that I put in for your giveaway that I'm giving away. I love those little e.l.f. palettes. I think they are great, and I literally use that green one that I put in for this giveaway all the time. Okay, so the keyword is e.l.f., E-L-F. Put that creatively in your comment below, and that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Hold on. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have one of those mystery, well, 2. No, I'm going to have 2. Hold on. See what's inside, decide what I want to keep, and decide what I want to give away. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? What? Okay, guys, so she had several, no, not several. She had 3. 3. Okay. So I just got 2 of each because my thought process was to open one up for myself on, okay, hold on. No. So the key word dun, da, 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 for today's video is going to be, hold on. Okay, so I wrote it down here. So everything for the contest is going to run from April 16th. Okay, so this giveaway is going to run from today, April 16th, all the way through April 24th, and the winner is going to be announced on April... No, I said it wrong. Darn it.